Things you need to know about Milwaukee before. Number 1. Experience every music genre in 11 days. Boasted as the world's largest music festival, Summerfest showcases more than 800 acts, ranging from local favorites to well-known artists like Led Zeppelin and Tina Turner. Usually held in late June and early July, the annual festival lasts 11 days and is made up of 11 different stages spanning the 75-acre site, located on the shores of Lake Michigan. Number 2. Split Bread with Secret Agents. Located at 779 N Front Street, International Exports Limited, Safe House restaurant has been offering secret refuge for spies engaging in covert operations since 1966. The hidden entrance, secret exits, and a booth doubling as an entrance to the nightclub next door are just a fraction of the reasons why this restaurant has been featured on the Travel Channel, Food Network, and in Time magazine. But shush! Don't tell them I told you. Number 3. Milwaukee has biodomes but no Pauly Shore. Though you won't find Pauly Shore and Company at the Mitchell Park Horticultural Conservatory, you will find 3 horticultural domes dedicated to 3 climates. Visit a tropical jungle, a desert oasis, and a special floral garden in the afternoon. In the evening, enjoy the building's amazing light shows. Number 4. Drink up. After all, the Brew City is full of breweries. With 1 historic and 6 operating breweries open for tours, it's no wonder we're known as the Brew City. Tour historic Pabst Brewery, Miller Coors, and many other smaller brewers while enjoying flight samples of the Brew City's best. Number 5. We created sewer socialism. Milwaukee is the only city to have elected 3 separate socialist mayors and subsequently form a political party, known as sewer socialism. Named after their reformed sewer systems, sewer socialists sought to improve public health through new sanitation systems, city-owned water and power systems, and improved education. Number 6. We challenge you to be fresh and local. The Eat Local Resource Fair is an annual fair which introduces the community to CSA members and helps people prepare for the Eat Local Challenge, which encourages participants to implement local foods into their diets. The event offers resources about buying and eating local foods, multitudes of recipes and workshops on everything from eating on a budget to urban beekeeping. Number 7. We teach our veterans to serve super tasty meals. Troop Cafe is a not-for-profit restaurant that serves delicious and healthy meals to the public while providing food service and hospitality training to United States veterans. The unique vocational school offers a variety of food options and is open Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Number 8. Forget the freezer section. Purple Door has liquor-flavored ice cream. Purple Door Ice Cream has created a cult following with their delectable ever-changing flavors of ice cream. This socially and environmentally responsible parlor offers 8 flavors daily, rotating through more than 40 original flavors. From the enticing whiskey bacon to a piquant absinthe sourced from the nearby Great Lakes Distillery, it's no wonder the New York Times mentions Purple Door Ice Cream on their list 36 hours in Milwaukee. Number 9. Love NBC's Community. You're welcome. Dan Harmon, the creator of NBC's Community, was born and raised in Milwaukee. He also helped to create the Sarah Silverman program and wrote for the movie Monster House. With blue-collar roots, it's only natural that Milwaukee has a funny bone as well. Number 10. Milwaukee's Kids Act Well. Founded in 1987, First Stage is one of the nation's most acclaimed children's theaters and is the second largest theater in Milwaukee. Making it their mission to engage minds and transform lives through extraordinary theater experiences, First Stage is the nation's largest high-impact theater training program, serving students ages 3 through 18. Number 11. It's a coastal city. Located on the southwestern shore of Lake Michigan, Milwaukee offers a variety of coastal activities. Enjoy maritime pastimes like kayaking, sailing, fishing, or jet skiing. If you prefer to stay dry, visit award-winning Lake Park along the shoreline and get in on a game of golf or beach volleyball, bike the paved multi-use trail, or simply fly a kite. Number 12. Milwaukee has so much green space you'll forget you're in a city. With more than 140 parks spanning over 15,000 acres, this is not your average concrete jungle. Take a stroll on a Saturday to the nearest neighborhood park farmers market to find local produce, coffee, jams and more, or stop by Cathedral Park on a Thursday and experience a local's favorite, jazz in the park. Number 13. Take a cruise 19th century style. Curious about maritime life on the Great Lakes in the 19th century? The sailing vessel Dennis Sullivan, built and located in Milwaukee, is the world's only recreation of a 19th century three-mast Great Lakes schooner. A floating classroom, the SV Dennis Sullivan is Wisconsin's official flagship and offers a variety of educational programs for all ages. Feeling particularly brave? Ask to climb the mast. Number 14. Tour the Milky Way. Discovery World is home to many interactive exhibits and experiences that focus on technology, science, and Great Lakes conservation. Immerse yourself in the Milky Way with virtual 3D environments, make beautiful music without touching a string on a theremin, and explore one of the largest interactive models of the Great Lakes. Number 15. Rev up your knowledge of motorcycle history. Located in downtown Milwaukee, the Harley-Davidson Museum is one of a kind. This unique museum showcases the rebellion and freedom associated with motorcycle culture through stories of the products, people, and history of Harley-Davidson. A major tourist attraction, it houses more than 450 artifacts and models from every era, including Evel Knievel's Wembley bike. Number 16. It's where children explore the great outdoors. The Urban Ecology Center has 3 locations in Milwaukee, all with one goal: to get people to go outside and explore while restoring and protecting urban green spaces. Open daily with year-round educational programs, the Urban Ecology Center provides a safe, educational opportunity for children and families to explore the environment around them. Number 17. Eat the best pork buns ever. On a bowling lane. Braze is a restaurant, culinary school, and RSA, restaurant-supported agriculture, that reconnects people with their food. The restaurant uses local, seasonal food for their menu, which is written daily. Experience deliciously interesting dishes and the best pork buns and cocktails on repurposed bowling alley lanes used as tables. Number 18. Milwaukee knows art is best after dark. The Milwaukee Art Museum hosts the monthly event, MAM After Dark, which offers a different program and theme each month. After-hours access to the galleries, music, and mingling that are not to be missed. The Milwaukee Art Museum itself hosts over 40 galleries on over 4 floors with regularly rotated art and is free for Milwaukee residents the first Thursday of every month. Number 19. Explore city cuisine at the year-long market. The Milwaukee Public Market is a unique food destination that features 20 specialty food vendors with products ranging from artisanal cheese to cupcakes. Located in the historic 3rd Ward, this bustling market is a fun stop for lunch or an easy way to sample the flavors of the city. Number 20. History, arcade bars, and antiques all in the same neighborhood. People flock to Bayview for local favorites like Honey Pies, think serious comfort food, and Blackbird Bar. Think a cabin up north with more than 70 Wisconsin beers on tap. Rich in history and registered as a National Historic Place, this hip neighborhood has everything from arcades to antique and record shops to green space in the form of Humboldt Park and the Oak Leaf Trail,